In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import bank feeds into QuickBooks Online. If your bank doesn't connect automatically, or you're catching up historical transactions, a manual upload is a quick and reliable way to get your data in. Before we start, make sure you've downloaded your transactions from your bank's website in a supported format. QuickBooks Online typically works with CSV, QBO, and OFX files. If you have a choice, QBO or OFX often import cleanly. If you're using CSV, check that your columns clearly identify date, description, and amount, and that the date format is consistent. Open QuickBooks Online and head to the left navigation panel. Click Accounting, then choose Bank Transactions. This is your hub for connected accounts and uploaded feeds, and it's where you'll control what flows into your books. At the top right of this page, look for the Link Account button. Next to it, you'll see a small caret icon. Click that caret and select Upload from File. The Link Account button is for setting up a live bank connection, while Upload from File is specifically for manual imports. Next, QuickBooks will ask where you want these transactions to land. Pick the existing QuickBooks account that matches the bank or card you downloaded from. If you don't see it yet, create a new account so your transactions are organized correctly. Give it a clear name, select the proper account type, and confirm the currency. Matching the right account here helps ensure your balances and reconciliations stay accurate, and you don't mix different accounts together. Now it's time to upload your file. Click to browse, select your downloaded bank file, and follow the prompts. If you're importing a CSV, QuickBooks may ask you to map your columns. Map date to date, description to description or memo, and amounts to the correct fields. If your CSV has separate columns for money in and money out, map them accordingly. Double-check the date range so you don't bring in duplicates, and confirm that the amounts look correct before proceeding. Once the upload completes, you'll see a confirmation, and your transactions will appear in the Bank Transactions area, ready for review and categorization. If something doesn't look right, for example, the wrong account was selected, you can remove the imported file and try again with the correct selection. Keep your file handy in case you need to re-upload. That's all there is to it. Remember, the key is using a supported file format and making sure you're importing into the correct QuickBooks account. With that, your bank feed is in, and you're ready to keep your books up to date.